Whilst carrying out extensive research into short films and their codes and conventions, I had come across marketing techniques that the producers of those films have created. These techniques include the use of a film poster as well as a radio trailer to entice the audience and other forms of advertising in order to reach a specific target audience for that film, whether it's niche or mass. The film posters and radio trailers were constructed in a way that would appeal to the target audience. The recurring theme throughout our short film is the use of post-it notes. Sticking to this theme, the film poster also used a post-it note where the film title would be placed. I thought this was really effective and tied in with the main product well, as the audience get a sense that the post-it notes must somehow be involved in the narrative. On the film poster, the male character has been manipulated using Photoshop to give him the Juno effect, as I wanted him to stand out from his surroundings to show that he is a social outcast. This has been reinforced through the use of black and white on him against a coloured background. The background against which he is placed is the location where we have filmed our short film. The bold black lines reinforce the idea that society has outlined him, and so viewers should do the same. The film poster also continues this subversion of the romance genre, as the codes and conventions of those posters usually have the male and female on them, whereas our film poster does not. However, looking at some film posters, I have found that some had laurels on them, informing the audience that the film had been shown at a film festival. I thought this would be a good idea to add to my own poster to make it seem more realistic, as short films are shown at many film festivals, thus following the codes and conventions of marketing short films. I think the film poster works well with the main film, as the themes are kept consistent. In regards to the radio trailer, a Vox Populi was used, as my short film contained no dialogue. At first I thought it would be difficult to create the radio trailer. However, by using a bold soundtrack from our actual film and recording audience feedback, the radio trailer was complete. The audience feedback included quick responses and mainly positive comments, as the radio trailer was a way of attracting our intended audience. The soundtrack which was used is called Blinded by the Lights by a band called The Streets. Although this soundtrack is much more suitable for busier places in London during the evening, I think it fits in well with the opening scenes of London landmarks shown in our film.